In this video, we'll be looking for now function. Let's start. If I want date and time together, you can use now function. So how do I get it? Just select the cell, enter is equal to, and now tap and just enter. You can get date and time, current date and time, means today's date and time. Okay. For using this function, you can get this both time and date. That's it. If I close this Excel sheet and open it, it means close and open it, time will be changed as per your system time. Or if you refresh after 10 minutes, the time will be changed. And date also change. If you open this Excel tomorrow, the date will be capture this function as per your system date. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.